Fishing's relaxing for me because taking in nature is overall relaxing. My Uncle Danny taught me how to fish when I was younger. He helped raise me. And my uncle was in the Army, so I just kind of wanted to carry on that tradition. October 2015, I joined the military. I was informed that I would be deploying to Afghanistan. So every morning before we would do our regular work, a group of us would get together and do a hands-to-hand combatives course. And so as we're walking our way to the compound, I remember hitting the ground. A suicide bomber had popped out and detonated his vest. We lost Tyler Ubelt, Staff Sergeant Perry, Sergeant First Class Brown. I have a lot of survivor's guilt for that. Cause I would normally be in the first position, and that's where Tyler was at. Tyler had a little girl that just was born 2 months prior to the deployment. And so there were people counting on him. And he's younger than me, so I felt like there's survivor guilt. Okay. I didn't realize the extent of my injuries. Coming home for the first time, I didn't realize how hard it was gonna be to get around in here. All the bathrooms are pretty small, so I kind of hold on to the walls and try to hop. Cooking in the kitchen's not great. I can't do a 360 in there in this. I'm pretty go with the flow, so I just figured it's a new normal. I'll just adjust to it.
In partnership with the Tunnel to Towers Foundation, the Home Depot Foundation helps provide specially adapted smart homes to severely injured veterans.
What if we told you that one of those brand new smart homes is now yours?
Is that what you're telling me? I think my life will be vastly different just from being able to fit throughout the entire house. I can do all my activities of daily living by myself. This now drops down. Look at all that room.
I think home kind of feels a lot safer now and secure, warm, spacious.
I'm excited that the new house is by the lake because just being on the water in general, relieving stress and just making myself feel at home is greatly appreciated. The partnership with the Home Depot Foundation and the Tunnel to Towers Foundation really does make a difference towards changing lives for wounded soldiers and giving them back their freedom, the freedom that they fought for.